In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add iOS or Android emoji icon to Figma. By the end, you'll know two simple ways to add emojis to your designs. The built-in, keyboard-based method for quick text emojis and a plug-in method for high-quality vector icons. Start by opening your Figma file and navigating to the frame or artboard where you want the emoji to appear. First, let's use your operating system's native emoji picker. This is the fastest way to insert an emoji directly into a text layer. Select the text tool or click into an existing text layer so your cursor is active where you want the emoji. On a Mac, press Ctrl plus Command plus Space to open the emoji viewer. On Windows, press the Windows key and the period, or the Windows key and the semicolon. A small panel will pop up with categories and a search bar. Type a few letters to find the emoji you want. Then click it. The emoji drops right into your text at the cursor position. Because it's part of the text, it will follow your font size and alignment. If it looks too large or too small, just adjust the font size like you normally would. This is ideal when you want emojis to behave like characters in a headline, button label, or caption. If you need emojis as scalable graphics instead of text, use a Figma plugin. Plugins let you insert emojis as vectors or images directly on your canvas. With your file open, press Ctrl+/ to open the quick action search. Type Figmoji and open it. Figmoji is a popular plugin that inserts emojis as SVGs, which means they scale cleanly and stay crisp at any size. Inside Figmoji, browse by category or search for a specific emoji. Click the one you want and it will appear on your canvas as a vector object. From there, resize it by dragging the corners. For clean scaling, drag from a corner handle, and if needed, hold Shift to maintain proportion. Rotate it using the rotate handle above the selection or by entering a rotation value in the toolbar. Because these are vectors, they're perfect for larger graphics, icons in UI, elements, or anywhere you want consistent appearance across platforms. That's it. Thanks for watching.